Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the straightforward process of opening a Vanguard brokerage account. Whether you're a beginner investor or looking to switch platforms, Vanguard is a top choice thanks to its low fees, excellent customer service, and wide range of investment options. Let's get started. First things first, head over to the Vanguard website. It's super user-friendly, so fire up your computer or grab your phone and navigate to Vanguard.com. Once you're there, look for the Open an Account button. It's usually right on the homepage or in the top menu. Click that, and you'll be prompted to choose the type of account you want. For most people starting out, a brokerage account is perfect as it allows you to buy and sell stocks, ETFs, and more. Next, you'll need to fill out some personal information. This includes your name, address, social security number, and employment details. Don't worry. Vanguard takes security seriously, so your data is protected. They'll also ask about your investment experience and goals to help tailor recommendations. Just be honest to get the best advice. After that, link your bank account. This is crucial for funding your new brokerage account. Vanguard makes this easy with options for electronic transfers or even linking directly from your bank's site. Once linked, you can decide how much to deposit initially. Start small if you're new, maybe with $1,000 or whatever fits your budget. Finally, verify your identity. This might involve answering a few questions or uploading documents, but it's a quick step to ensure everything's legit. Once approved, you're all set. You can start exploring funds and making your first trades. Remember, investing involves risks, so do your research and consider consulting a financial advisor. If you follow these steps, you'll have your Vanguard account up and running in no time. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more finance tips. See you in the next video.